Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some superhero comics trivia. Which superhero is known as the Man of Steel? Is it A, Captain America, or B, Superman, or C, Thor, or D, Iron Man? The correct answer is B, Superman. Which superhero is also known as the Scarlet Speedster? Is it A, Red Tornado, or B, the Flash, or C, Quicksilver, or D, Speed Demon? The correct answer is B, the Flash. Which of the following is the real name of Spider-Man? A, Peter Parker, or B, Steve Rogers, or C, Bruce Wayne, or D, Tony Stark? The correct answer is A, Peter Parker. Which superhero team includes characters such as Cyclops, Wolverine, and Storm? Is it A, the Avengers, or B, Justice League, or C, X-Men, or D, the Fantastic Four? The correct answer is C, X-Men. Question: what is the name of Tony Stark's superhero alter ego? A, Hulk, or B, Captain America, or C, Thor, or D, Iron Man? The correct answer is D, Iron Man. Which Norse god of thunder and a member of the Avengers is Captain America, or B, Iron Man, or C, Thor, or D, Loki? The correct answer is C, Thor. Which superhero is known for his green ring and ability to create constructs from willpower? Is it A, Green Lantern, or B, the Hulk, or C, Green Arrow, or D, Captain Planet? The correct answer is A, Green Lantern. Which is the arch-enemy of Batman known for his clown-like appearance? Is it A, Penguin, or B, Riddler, or C, Joker, or D, Two-Face? The correct answer is C, Joker. Which superhero group includes characters like Mr. Fantastic, the Invisible Woman, the Human Torch, and the Thing? Is it A, the Fantastic Four, or B, the Avengers, or C, the X-Men, or D, the Justice League? The correct answer is A, Fantastic Four. Which superhero is known for his shield and the title First Avenger? A, Captain America, B, Black Panther, C, Iron Man, D, Thor. Is it A, Captain America, B, Black Panther, C, Iron Man, or D, Thor? The correct answer is A, Captain America. Which metal-clawed mutant known for his healing factor and berserker rage? Is it A, Magneto, B, Deadpool, C, Sabretooth, or D, Wolverine? The correct answer is D, Wolverine. What is the real name of Iron Man? Is it A, Peter Parker, or B, Clark Kent, or C, Tony Stark, or D, Bruce Wayne? The correct answer is C, Tony Stark. Which superhero is known for his ability to shrink to the size of an ant? Is it A, the Atom, or B, Spider-Man, or C, Wasp, or D, Ant-Man? The correct answer is D, Ant-Man. Who is the Archer superhero with the real name Clint Barton? Is it A, Hawkeye, or B, Robin Hood, or C, Legolas, or D, Green Arrow? The correct answer is A, Hawkeye. What is the real name of the Scarlet Witch? Is it A, Natalie Romanova, or B, Wanda Stark, or C, Maria Maximoff, or D, Wanda Maximoff? The correct answer is D, Wanda Maximoff. Which superhero is known for his sense of justice and operates in Gotham City? Is it A, Green Lantern, or B, Spider-Man, or C, Batman, or D, Daredevil? The correct answer is C, Batman. What is the real name of the Black Widow? Is it A. Natasha Romanova or B. Natasha Rodionov or C. Natasha Romanoff or D. Natalia Romanova? The correct answer is C. Natasha Romanoff. Which superhero is known for his aquatic abilities and the title King of Atlantis? Is it A. Poseidon or B. Neptune or C. Aquaman or D. Submariner? The correct answer is C. Aquaman. What is the real name of the superhero known as Captain America? Is it A. Clint Barton or B. Bucky Barnes or C. Sam Wilson or D. Steve Rogers? The correct answer is D. Steve Rogers. Who is the Sorcerer Supreme in the Marvel Universe? A. Iron Man or B. Thor or C. Nick Fury or D. Doctor Strange? The correct answer is D. Doctor Strange. Which of the following is the real name of the superhero known as Deadpool? Is it A. Logan Howlett or B. Bruce Wayne or C. Wade Wilson or D. Tony Stark? The correct answer is C. Wade Wilson. Which superhero is a blind lawyer by day and a vigilante by night? Is it A. Daredevil or B. Batman or C. Green Lantern or D. Black Panther? The correct answer is A. Daredevil. What is the real name of the Green Arrow? Is it A. Oliver Queen or B. Bruce Wayne or C. Barry Allen or D. Tony Stark? The correct answer is A. Oliver Queen. Which superhero has the ability to control weather and is a member of the X-Men? Is it A. Thor or B. Storm or C. Wonder Woman or D. Superman? The correct answer is B. Storm. Which superhero team includes Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and The Flash? Is it A. X-Men or B. Fantastic Four or C. Justice League or D. The Avengers? The correct answer is C. Justice League. Which superhero is known for his unbreakable skin and super strength in the Marvel Universe? Is it A. Daredevil or B. Luke Cage or C. Iron Fist or D. Wolverine? The correct answer is B. Luke Cage. What is the real name of the superhero known as the Hulk? Is it A. Bruce Banner or B. Tony Stark or C. Bruce Wayne or D. Peter Parker? The correct answer is A. Bruce Banner. Which superhero is the king of Wakanda and has enhanced abilities due to the heart-shaped herb? Is it A. Iron Man or B. Thor or C. Black Panther or D. Captain America? The correct answer is C. Black Panther. Which superhero team includes characters like Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, and the Hulk? Is it A. Fantastic Four or B. Justice League or C. Avengers or D. X-Men? The correct answer is C. Avengers. Which superhero is known for his regenerative healing factor and sarcastic personality? Is it A. Spider-Man or B. Deadpool or C. Wolverine or D. The Punisher? The correct answer is B. Deadpool. Which superhero's real name is Wolverine? Is it A. Scott Summers or Logan or C. James Howlett or D. Peter Parker? The correct answer is B. Logan. What is the real name of the superhero known as Black Panther? Is it A. Eric Killmonger or Beam Baku or C. Njidaka or D. T'Challa? The correct answer is D. T'Challa. Which superhero is known for her shape-shifting abilities and blue skin? Is it A. Raven or B. Mystique or C. Beast or D. Nightcrawler? The correct answer is B. Mystique. Which superheroine has the ability to generate hex bolts and alter reality? Is it A. Jean Grey, or B. Black Widow, or C. Scarlet Witch, or D. Zatanna? The correct answer is C. Scarlet Witch. The question is, what is the real name of the superhero known as Shazam? Is it A. Bruce Wayne, or B. Clark Kent, or C. Billy Batson, or D. Peter Parker? The correct answer is C. Billy Batson. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.